It is a pleasure to present you the amazing software Leobis for tea traders from Designsoft Technologies. It is architectured by the same person who provided industry standard tea mix that was used by more than 50 organizations at one time and still being used by several organizations for several decades. Leobis for tea traders has 5 distinct advantages. Firstly, it provides information for management actions and decisions. It is a software that is specifically designed for tea trading industry. It follows natural purchase process for auction purchase and blending. More importantly, in its computation of manufacturing cost, it uses actual cost of each lot that was used in the blending, not average cost like almost all the systems both international and other local software use. While average cost may give reasonably accurate manufacturing cost in most of the other industries, in trading where the lot prices vary significantly from lot to lot and week to week, it will give erroneous results. In fact, in one instance, one tea trader found out that he has paid income taxes for inflated profit of 25 million by using average cost. It is so funny that most of the companies that use computerized system manually compute shipment cost. Leobis will give you for each production order both price variance and usage variance so that you could monitor production efficiency and purchase efficiency of the organization. Secondly, the end-to-end single Leobis system eliminates accounting functions completely. Finance division will have to only monitor collection of accounts receivable, disburse payments, and manage investments and borrowings. No more posting of journal entries. Once transaction is processed using the system, financials are updated simultaneously. Whether it is tea purchasing, material purchasing, tea blending or packing, shipping or packing, credit interest or fixed deposit interest, depreciation, purchase and sales in the stock market, exchange profit or loss. No international or local ERP software system has facilities to manage investments and borrowing. This means workload of finance division is reduced several-fold. Thirdly, all the balance sheet items are supported by system maintained supporting schedules. It is only trade receivables and trade payables. It supports multiple subledger accounts for the same entity so that deposits, loans, investments, fixed assets, work in progress, inventory all will be supported by system maintained supporting schedule. No international or local ERP software can provide this functionality. This is done to ensure verifying reliability of information possible. That also means the final accounts will be available for audit within a month of the end of financial year. Fourthly, it supports storage of source documents such as supplier invoices, sales orders associated with transactions, partner accounts, and these documents can be viewed with the transaction details simultaneously by several people at the same time and can be printed if required, eliminating physical record room. Fifthly, it provides ad hoc inquiries to be performed on the system by the end users. They need not depend on the vendor or IT personnel to get information. It will be an information utility to all users. You could acquire the Leobis software for a license fee per user, implementation fee and annual support fee like any other ERP software at competitive price. Better still, you could get it for annual subscription fee of 0.0 to 5% to 0.06% of your annual fee depending on your revenue, lower the parentage, higher the revenue. Under subscription model, we would charge 1 year subscription as setup and training fee. What is more interesting is that you would get unlimited user license. You make it available to everyone in the organization to process transactions and get information. We provide the software in the cloud so that they could access the software from anywhere around the world and you need not invest on a costly server and environment infrastructure, but system will be available to you 24/7. Your overall cost considering the productivity improvement and reduction of infrastructure cost will be much more than the subscription cost. You can call us on +94 777 to 68031 or +94 11 to 685 693 for more information or to arrange a product demonstration.